Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. How are you all? Fine?
Fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, children, we are going to start a new chapter today. Children, please mute your Adidev. Mute your audio. Okay, so today we are going to start a new topic, that is money. And children, you know what is money. We are using in our daily life, and we are starting learning this from our smaller classes. So you know how to identify the money. And last year we learned, class 3, we learned how to convert paise to rupees and rupees to paise. So we will revise that it again. So what we had to do, the first one, you had to know what is 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 1 rupee is 1 rupee is equal to
100
paise. 100 paise. So Siddhi, can you tell me 1 rupee is equal to 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. So children, listen carefully. I will. We have already studied, but I will give you how we can do it faster. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. What we are doing there, 1 into 100. We are multiplying. We are multiplying with 100. Multiplying with 100. So to multiply with 100, what is the easy way? We will add 2 zeros. So 2 rupees. Write 2. Then how many zeros to be added? 2 zero. 2 zero. So what is 2 rupees is equal to
200
paise. 5 rupees equal to
500
Okay. So children, what we are doing actually, we are multiplying with 100. We are multiplying with 100. So in order to do it faster, to understand faster what we are doing, just add 2 zeros. Okay, so I will write it on the board. Listen carefully. All of you please mute your audio. When I call someone, only that time you can. So children, what we discussed, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Rupees 2, it is equal to 200 paise. So children, rupees to paise, actually what we are doing, we multiply with 100. We multiply with 100. So children, look here, how many zeros? 2 zeros. 2 zeros. So we will write the number, we will write the same number, then add only 2 zeros. So if I am writing rupees 10, what will be that answer? Yes, children?
1,000.
1,000, very good. 1,000. So children, what you have to do? Write the same number. Write the same number. Then add 2 more zeros and write here paise. Okay. So instead of rupees, we will write here paise. What we have to do? Just add 2 zeros. So to children, convert rupees to paise. What we have to do? Multiply with 100. Listen carefully. This is very easy. Very easy. If you listen, I am giving you shortcut method to understand and to do it faster. So here, to convert rupees to paise, children, what we have to do? Multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. Look here, how many zeros in the 2 zeros. So what we have to do? Just add 2 zeros. So rupees 13. How we will write? Write 13. 2 more 0. Then write here paise. Is that easy?
Yes.
Yes. So children, all of you please take out your rough book. I will give you 2 questions. All of you. Take the rough book. Don't say the answer together. I will call one by one. Question number 1. 15 rupees. We have to convert into paise. Question number 2. Rupees 7 equal to dash paise. So children, we are writing in the rough book. Those who joined late now, rough book only we are writing this. Now question number 3, the last one. Rupees 20 equal to dash paise.
Ma'am, finish.
I will ask one by one. Don't say the answers. Siddhi, please mute your audio. Some disturbance will be coming here. Okay, now first one, Aditi. Rupees 15.
1,500.
Very good. So children, what you have to do? Write 15. Write 15. Then you have to add how many zeros? 20. You have to add only 0. Okay. Next one, Jenika. Rupees 7. Huh? 7 then? How many zeros to be added? Yes, Janvi, audio, it's not clear. Yes, Janvi.
700.
700, we have to add 20. After 7, you have to add 2 more zeros here. Okay, next one. Arpita, rupees 20. How many paise? Arpita, are you there? Okay, Srihari.
Ma'am,
Ah.
20,000 paise.
20 we will write then.
Ma'am, 20,100.
20 then 2 more zeros. So how to read this number?
2,000.
1000. Very good.
2,000.
I say. So children, 20 you have to write. Okay, that number you have to write. Then how many zeros we are adding here? Only 2 more zero. So this is 2,000. 2,000 paise. Okay, so children, what we are doing here, converting rupees to paise. What we are doing actually, multiply with 100. Multiply with 100. Okay, so here, children, we just need to add 0. How many 0? 20.
20.
Okay, so children, listen carefully. Now, if it is here, 15.25. 15.25. See, this multiply with 100 means you have to move the decimal point from left to right. 1, 2 digits. So the answer will be 15.25 paise. So children, listen carefully. To multiply, what we will do? Move the decimal point from left to right. Okay, multiply means left to right. So here 15, here 1,500 plus 25 we are adding. That is why we are getting 1,525. Okay, so children, if there is no number, what we will do? We will add only 2 zeros if the paisa is not there. If we have here 7 and 50 paise, in that case, what we have to do? Move the decimal point from here, 1, 2. So it will be 750 paise. 7 rupee plus 50 paise. So how much paise total? 750 paise. So children, if there is no number, means the here there is no paise, what we have to do? Add 2 zeros, because when we multiply with 100, we have to add 2 zeros. So otherwise, if there is any paise, is there any number, what we have to do? Just write without a decimal point. That means we are shifting this decimal point 1, 2 digits, because we know 100. How many zeros are there? 2. So how many digits we should move? 2 digits from left to right. Okay, children. So you have to remember carefully. Multiply means we will move the decimal point from left to right. Left to right. Every time we will shift only 2 digits. Why? Because 100. 100 means how many zero? Only 2 zero. Okay. If there is no paise part, what we will do? 7 rupees. We have to add 2 zero. 7 rupees, 700 paise. 1 rupee, how many paise?
100 paise. 100 paise.
2 rupees,
200 paise.
100.
200 paise.
3 rupees.
300 paise.
Okay. So children, very good. So what we were doing? What we were doing here? We were converting rupees to paise. Rupees to paise, what we are doing? Multiply. Multiply with 100. So if 7 rupees, to convert to paise, what we have to do? Just add 2 zeros. Because we know in 100 we have how many zero? Only 2 zero. So this is rupees to paise. Now children, back. Paise to rupees, we will do opposite of multiply. Because rupees to paise multiplies. Multiply. Paise to rupees, divide by 100. What we have to do? Divide by 100. That also I will show you some easy method. So children, here, look here. It's the same question. We know this question, that is 20 rupees. What we have done? We will write 20, then multiply with 100 means we will add 2 zeros, that much paise. Now children, please listen how we can go back paise to rupees. What we have to do? Divide by 100. Divide by 100. So children, look here how we can do division. Easy method. How can I teach you? Just move from right 1, 2 digit. This 2 0, we had to move 1 digit, then 2 digit, then put a decimal point 20. We will get 20. That is the answer. Here we know already that is 20 rupees. See, yesterday children, in decimals we learned how to divide by 10. Yes, we will move 1 digit from right to left. Kilogram, yesterday we learned, gram and kilometer and meter, 1 meter, kilometer, like that. So what we have to do? Conversion, divide by 1000. How much decimal we placed from right to left? That is division. So look here again, I will show you with another example. I have 86 rupee. So this much paise I have. I want to convert into rupees. So what I have to do? Just divide by 100 means how much decimal I should, how much places? 1, 2. Put a decimal point. So this is 86.50. That means rupees 86 and paise 50. So children, when you divide 8,650, that is 8650, when you divide by 100, children, you will get the integral part. In decimals, children, no need to write anything now. Let me see, all are listening carefully. If you listen 1 minute, this is very easy. Then only you will write something. Okay, Tanvi? Don't write anything now. You're drawing something. Keep all the pencils down. Listen carefully. If you listen properly, it is very easy. So children, 20 here, that means we have to move 2 digits. In decimals, children, we learned this. Yes, 1, 2. So this is our point. So this is the integral part, whole number, or we can say this is the quotient when we divide by 100. And this is the fractional part, means it will be the remainder. So 86 rupees and how much paise? 50 paise. Okay, 86 rupees 50 paise. So this 86 is, when we divide, it is the quotient, that answer. And how much is remaining? That is the remainder, that is the paise. Okay children, I will do one more example, then you will do 7695. So this much paise I have. I want to convert this into rupees. So what I have to do? Just 1, 2 digits, put a decimal point, only this much. 76 rupees 95 paise. So rupees, how will I write? Rupees 76. And what is the paise part? 95 paise. Is that clear? Find out this, children. Question number 1. Write down in your rough book. 2 questions I will give you. You have to convert to rupees. Rupees and paise will be there. So we will write only rupees. Okay. So Siddhi, what's the answer for question number 1, Siddhi?
Ma'am, rupees 18.50.
Very good. So what we have to do, children? Just move 2 digits. Just move 2 digits from the right side. 1, 2. Put a point here. Rupees 18.50. So here 18.50, 18 will be the quotient and 50 is the remainder. So this is paise, this is rupees.
Ma'am, can I say the answer of second?
Wait. Felix.
Felix.
Question number 2. Yes, Felix.
Yes, ma'am. 179 rupees and 55 paise.
Very good. Children, look here. How many digits we have to move? 1, 2. Then put a decimal point here. So the answer is 179 rupees point
55 paise.
55. Okay. So this is very easy. Children, you can ask. Children, I will call one by one. It's when everyone say together, it is not clear. So children, here either move from left to right or right to left. We have to move only 2 digits. Why? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, and in 100 paise we have 20. And in decimal chapter we learned how to move the decimal if it is dividing or multiplying. Dividing means we have to move from right side to left. Here we are divided with 100, so you have to move only 2 digits. Okay. So children, all of you, we will practice more questions from the workbook. Please take page number 48. Page number 48. I will page number 48. Children, please take it faster. Page number 48. Chapter 11, money. I will call one by one. What do you have to do, children? When I say anyone, don't say together, because we are calling one by one, because everyone has to listen the question what we are and the answer also. Okay, so don't say together. Okay, question number 1, Arpita. Question number 1, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. Rupees 6 is equal to dash paise.
Rupees 6 equal to dash paise. Question number 1. Tell me, write 6 and how many zeros to be added?
Paise.
How many zeros to be added?
Paise. 2
It's not
zeros.
clear. 2 zeros. So the answer is 6 and 2 more zeros. So option? Option? A. Question number A. Option A. See, some audio is not clear, so I will call another person's. So if your audio is not proper, I will call another one. Okay. Dia, can you read question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 2.
500
550.
paise is equal to 5.50 rupees.
5.50. So children, look here. How many points we are moving? 1, 2 from the right side to the front. So it is 5.5. So what's the option?
B.
B. Option B. 5.50. Then win question number 3. Then win question number 3.
Questions over. 1 to 6 questions over.
Okay. So children, those who are doing faster, this is very easy. I know children, you are doing faster. So you can check your answers when it is written on the board. Okay. If you say together, it's not audible. So those who finish, they can do and check from the board. Okay. Question number 3. Okay, Mayuk, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Rupees 25 is equal to dash paise.
25 rupees. Rupees. Dash. What we have to do?
Ma'am,
Hmm. We have to add how many zero?
2,500.
We have to add 2 more zero. Instead of rupees, we will add, to make it paise, add 2 zero. So what's the answer? Which is the option?
Option D.
D, option D. So this is 2, 5 and 2 more 0. So that is 2,500. Okay, question number 4, Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 4.
To convert rupees to paise, we multiply rupees by 100.
Very good. To convert rupees to paise, what we will do? We will do multiply. With which number? 100. 100. So what's the answer here? Option 100. B. Okay, option B. Okay, question number. Yes, Niranjan, question number 5.
Rupees 120 equal to dash paise.
Rupees 120. 120 rupees equal to dash
Dash paise.
paise. So what do you have to do? Add how many more zero?
20.
So what's the answer?
12,000.
12,000. Okay, some children they will see only 2 zeros because they are adding with 12. 12, if you add 2 more zeros, you will get 1,200. But here with 120, you have to add 2 more zeros. So the answer is, which is option?
D.
Option D. Very good. Correct answer. Now question number 6. Tanvi.
Ma'am,
Question number 6.
to convert paise into rupees and paise, we divide the number by
To convert paise into rupees and paise, we divide by
1,000.
rupees equal to how many paise? 1 rupees equal to how many paise?
100 paise.
Yes, Tanvi. 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. So either multiply with 100 or divide with 100 only. We are not, there is no confusion children here because there is no kilogram, kilometer. Here only paise. So what is a paise? 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. So what we have to do? Yes, children, tell me the answer.
A
100. 1 rupees equal to, or rupees equal to 100 paise only. So here children we have only 2 0. So either by multiply with 100 or divide with 100 only. We are not changing 100. Multiply with 100, divide by 1000, no. Okay, question number 7, Rudra. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am.
Can you read question number 7?
Yes. To convert paise to rupees, we place the decimal point dash digit from the right of the given number.
How many digits from the right side we will put the decimal point? Yes? Yes, children?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
Yes. 2, yes. 2 digits. I told you clearly, children, we have 2 zeros in 100. So when we change the decimal digits, it is after 2 digits. We have to place the decimal point. After 2 digits. Children, you can write in words. TWO. Okay, 2 digits. Now, question number 8. Nainika, question number 8. Yes? Okay, Maria, can you read question number 8? Maria?
Okay. After dividing rupees by 100, we write the quotient as rupees and the dash as paise.
Quotient is the integral part, that is rupee, and The paise will be the remainder. Very good. Okay, very good. So children, remainder, that is the paise part, and the rupee part, that is the integral, that is the quotient. So very good. So children, this is question number 8. The answer is remainder. Question number 9, Ryan. Ryan.
20,000 paise make
Read, count the number of zero. Don't read in a hurry. What is this number?
2,000.
Yes, Ryan. Look at the number and read properly.
2,000 paise make
2,000 paise. How much rupees?
20.
We had to move how many digits?
20.00.
20. So children, 20.00. We will not say only 20 rupees. So we no need to say 00 paise. No problem. So children, if it is 20.50 means we can say 20 rupees 50 paise, 20 rupees 75 paise. But if there is no paise, it's better we will write rupees 20 only. If you write 0.00 also, it's correct, but there is no need because 0.00, it's no need to write it. Question number 10. Celine, can you read question number 10?
Convert 4,650 paise into rupees and paise.
Convert. This is the paise. 4,650. 4,650. You have to convert into rupees and paise. Yes, Celine, she's going to do. How many digits we are shifting? 2. Then what's the answer?
No.
What is the answer?
46.
So we will write 40 rupees 46 point. Children, here we will write because we have here 50 paise. That 50 paise. So we will write rupees 46.50. Rupees 46.50 paise. So we will write only rupees in the front. We no need to write here paise. Okay, because it is already clear. After the decimal point, it is paise. So here rupees 46.50. Only this much we can write. Parvati, do you have the book with you? Can you read question number next one?
Ma'am, it's also written.
Your network is not clear. That's why I'm not able to call you. Okay. Children, please turn on your camera also. Okay, Kirtana, next one. Question number 11. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 11.
Convert 3,000.
It is 350.
350 paise into
How much paise?
35,350
paise. Okay. Now convert into rupees and paise. How many digits you will move and find out the answer?
353.50.
353. So rupees 353.50. Okay. So children, this is 350. So when we divide, that is paise to rupees, we have to shift the digits from right to left by 2 digits. So when we change, it is 2 digits from right to left. So the answer is 353.50. Okay, correct answer. Your audio. Glenn, can you read question number 12?
Yes, ma'am. Convert the decimal to 26.4 into a fraction.
Question number 12.
Yeah, ma'am.
Question number.
Convert the decimal 26.4 into a fraction.
Page number 49.
49.
Let me call another one. Let here. Children, please turn on your camera. Isha Fatima. Isha Fatima.
Yes, ma'am. 12th question.
Question number 12 from page number 49.
Convert 5,000 paise into rupees.
Convert 5,000 paise, 5000, 5,000 paise to rupees. Okay? Yes, Isha?
Rupees 50.
Very good. Rupees 50. See, children, we are getting 1, 2 digits. We are moving 2 digits. Here 0, 0. So we are not saying that. We will write only rupees 50. Okay, children, is that clear? Rupees 50. If there is no numbers after the decimal point, we can just avoid writing that 0, 0. Then the answer is rupees 50. Okay. Now, question number 12. Dia, can you, question number 13, Dia.
Convert 6 to 600.
Ma'am, 12 we finished, ma'am.
1 2 into paise.
Question number 13. Convert rupees 621. Rupees 621.12. Okay. Convert rupees 621.2. So children, easy method I show you. What we have to do from left to right. So the answer is 62112 paise. So children, we had to write the step. So here, how many rupees we have? Listen carefully. I will show you one question. Then B part you have to do alone. B part you have to do alone. So 621, that much rupees, 621 rupees. Plus, how many paise here? 12 paise. So children, we are writing the steps. 621 is the rupees that we have written, plus how many paise? 621 rupees. Now 621 rupees, what we have to do? Rupees to paise, just add 20, then add 12. So what we have to do? We will
Ma'am, I don't know.
62100 plus 12, you will get this answer. So what is the easy method I told you, children? Write the number without a decimal point. So this decimal we have to move 1, 2. So that is the easy method I am teaching. What is that? Write the number without a decimal point. Okay? Then write this paise. So since this is a short answer, it's better if we write the step these 1 and 2. What is that? Write 621 rupees plus 12. So rupees 621 we know how to do. Write the rupee, then add 20. Then finally just write these numbers. 62112 paise. Okay, this is question number.
See the board, ma'am.
You can. I will stop share and I will send it again. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next one. Next one is paise to rupees. Paise to rupees. 46532. So children, paise to rupees, what we have to do? We will do divide by. What we have to do, children? We will write 46532 divide by 100. This is what we was doing till here. What we were doing? Move the decimal point. How many digits?
2.
Move the decimal point from 2 digits.
2 digits. Then we will get rupees 46. Decimal point 32
What we have to
paise.
do? 1 minute. Let me take them.
Ma'am,
3, 2. So here 1, 2. So only 2 digits. So the answer is rupees. Tell me.
ma'am, how should we do?
Yes, yes.
Rupees 465.32 paise.
Okay. So we can write just only one step here. What we have to do, children? Divide by 100. Divide by 100. Only write the number 46,532 divided by 100. So to divide by 100, only move 2 digits from the right side to the left, then put the decimal point. Only that
Can you
much.
show it again?
Ma'am, Siddhi didn't understand.
Which one?
Ma'am, because my father told me that's why I did it.
I cannot hear you properly. See, is there any network problem? Yes, what you are saying?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't understand it.
Which one? 13A or 13B?
B.
If you can write, then okay. So what is the step here?
One time up.
Time is over. So children, we will discuss that in the next class, okay? Just write the steps. We will discuss that again. The next class children, they start joining. Okay children, bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.